And here's how to take screenshot with one hand on iPhone. In order to take a screenshot using one hand, we have to enable Assistive Touch. To do that, go to your iPhone settings app and tap on accessibility, and here tap on touch and tap on Assistive Touch, and here enable Assistive Touch. Now for example, I want to take screenshot by single tap. So here's I'm tapping on single tap, and in this list you have to select screenshot. Okay, now let's go to message app for example, and now to take a screenshot of this page, all you have to need, just tap on this Assistive Touch icon, and here you can see the screenshot successfully captured. So that's how you can now go ahead and capture screenshot with your one hand. Thanks for watching.